Hey guys, Scott Jansen here with a quick announcement and a quick reminder. In about 6 weeks' time, we have our next 3-day therapy training, and this is going to be happening on June 26, 27, and 28. This is a virtual event. It's going to be happening via Zoom. And like I mentioned, we're only about 43 days out before we start this training program. It's going to be our last training program for 2026. If you're unaware of this, let me just quickly go through the details. I will leave a link below because on this breakdown, this page right here, there's a lot of details and I highly recommend reading through for yourself. But let me just give you the synopsis right now. Over the 3 days of this virtual event, I'm going to be showing you how to turn multiple hypnosis sessions into a one-session breakthrough, guys, for any problem. It doesn't matter whether it's big, it's small. It could be from stop smoking, can be anxiety, could be trauma. It could be all the way to mindset. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to show you how to turn all the hypnosis sessions that you're doing into one 45-minute to 60-minute breakthrough for any client problem. And guys, get this, you can earn between $1,500 all the way up to $5,000 per client, just like our students are doing right now. The best thing of all, we're doing this without client prep. There's no scripts, there's no language patterns, there's no regressions, there's no forced inner child healing. You're not going to be doing multiple sessions, and you won't need to have back-to-back clients or low prices just to build your business. Right now, we have several students, well, thousands of students actually, that are earning over 6 figures per year and only seeing 2 clients per week. That's what this training program is about. So over that 3 days, I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So that's the synopsis of what you're going to be learning, but I highly recommend, I'll leave this link below, is just to scroll down, read through all the details, guys, read through what you're going to be getting, look through the thousands of testimonials that we have. But before we end this video, because I don't want to make it too long, is I just want to quickly touch on what you're going to get as far as your investment. So the investment for this is only $997. That's Australian dollars. We do obviously have a payment plan, 2 payment split as well, but that's not the important part. What is the important part is what you get, not just for enrolling in the live training, or the bonuses that you get. So I'm just going to scroll down. So this is the 3-day curriculum and mentoring. As a part of enrollment into the live training, guys, you'll get our private mentoring and also our home study program. So once you enroll, you'll get instant login details emailed to you that'll give you access to our home study program. And what this is we've taken all the past events that we've done, we put them all into kajabi.com. We send you a login details and you have access to over 300 hours of all the past trainings. This includes over 65 full demonstrations of this therapeutic processing in action. And guys, this is how we teach it. This is what makes it so special. There's no long, boring lectures. There's no learning the history. Obviously, no the scripts. We're not learning the rapid techniques. We're not using the inductions and all that stuff. We teach this via demos. There's something special and unique about this therapy style that it has to be what we call caught, not taught. And the best way to actually learn therapy, and I think hypnosis in general, is to see it in action. That way it prepares you consciously and unconsciously for it to work in the real world. If you've been to past seminars before, it's just lectures. It's usually the lecturer reading from a book, and then you sit down and write the scripts for 3 hours, and you've got to learn to do the audios. We do none of that. We dive straight into anywhere between about 5 to 7 live demonstrations. These are full demos for real people with real problems and using the full therapeutic process that we teach you from start to finish. We show you how to do that over those demos. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're brand new to hypnosis or you've been in this industry for a long time. We start from absolute scratch. Although it's called advanced, we start from scratch. The reason it's called advanced is because by the end of this 3 days, which doesn't sound like a lot of time, but we get so much done, you will be an advanced practitioner and you probably outwork and outdo a lot of the other therapists and hypnotists in the industry who are still stuck at that very basic level, which is all scripts and not understanding the root cause and the payoffs and stuff like that. That's what we're showing you how to do. But back to this, you get the private mentoring, you get the home study program. The private mentoring, guys, comes from the Facebook group that we're going to plug you into. You can also access this 300 hours of content, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have it on our training platform, like I mentioned. You can log in straight away, and you guys, you keep all of this for life, okay? But that's not even the exciting part. This is just a couple of bonuses. What is the exciting part? Once we get through all the curriculum, you can see what you're going to be learning. We're going to give you a bonus training product inside Kajabi as well that is going to show you how to sell this thing for $1,500 or to $5,000. I don't know any other training program on the planet that not only teach you the fastest therapeutic method for any client problem in the world, but they also never show you how do you sell this? How do you get clients? How do you get clients to pay for this? We're going to be giving you that. It's our full and complete from start to finish sales program I've actually taken this from our 100K coaching program, which is our business program, and we're going to give that to you as well because I want you to start making money. Now, if you're earning between $1,500 to $5,000 per client, doesn't matter what the niche is. We have students doing this in hundreds of different niches. You'll earn your money back just by one client and some, plus you keep this stuff for life, okay? But again, that's not even the exciting stuff. This is it right here. We're going to also give you 2 fast action bonuses. The first one is my favorite. We're going to give you an unlimited VIP ticket to attend all future trainings for life. What does this mean? We have a policy that once you enroll once into a certain program and it's taught live, you can attend those lives as many times as you like for life. You never have to pay again. All you have to do is show up. So we've taught 15 or 16 of these events so far, and we've had students that were there at event number 1. They've also turned up to event 16 and everything in between. So they've got nearly $16,000 worth of training events for free. All they had to do was pay for one. Okay, so you'll get that too. That's our VIP ticket. And lastly, I'm going to give you 11 additional therapy and business masterclasses. This is well over 20. It's even close to 30 hours worth of content. We'll put that into your Kajabi account as well, so you can start watching all those masterclasses. And we're talking about things, deep diving into things like our ETM method, which is our emotional trance method, stop smoking masterclass, advanced testing and tasking masterclass. We'll give you some business ones about YouTube, self-hypnosis, how to get clients. So many additional masterclasses will give you that for free as well. So guys, when you think about it, if you're getting 16 of these events and you're only enrolling once, that's $16,000 or roughly $16,000 worth of event and also product as well for only $997. Okay, so you would never get this type of value anywhere else online. But guys, what I want to recommend is you just jump over to this page. I'll leave this link below. Again, these are the dates up the top, starting in 43 days. Go through all of the content, read about it, look at our testimonials. If you want to see the amount of testimonials we have, these are real students in our group. You can see their names here. You can see who they are, all talking about starting at the script-based level all the way up to only using this style of therapy right now. And you can see what they're talking about. You can also see the type of money they're earning. If you need more than that, you can go right down to the bottom. We just put a few on this page, as you can see. These are students just like you guys. You probably even know some of them who they are. You would have trained with them before, maybe the more traditional hypnosis training programs, but all the way down the bottom, we got some videos you can watch. These are interviews I've done with our students talking about their experience with this type of therapy. But come down the bottom here and you can look at over 1,500 of these screenshots and watch over 40 full interviews. Okay, so all you need to do, guys, to jump on board is just click this button here. It'll take you over to our easy payment plan or our full payment, whatever you need. And the community will plug you straight into is our private Facebook group, and you get lifetime access to this. Once you enroll once, there's no extra fees. You don't have to keep paying every single year to stay in the program. There's none of that. You get everything for life. All right, guys. So it's coming up very soon, 43 days. I look forward to seeing you in the program. Thanks, guys.